Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, we're reviewing Pictory AI. This AI tool turn your scripts into full video freelancer without showing your face. You don't need a camera. You don't need to record yourself. Just pass your text and Pictory AI create full video for you. Let's dive into it. Here, we'll sign up. It's for free. Here, the interface. Choose why you use Pictory AI, personal usage, or freelancer video or marketing. Choose the personal usage. Click here. Here, the dashboard on Pictory AI. You can do a lot of things like text to video, turn URL to video, AI video editor, summarize video. There are a lot of things. But in this video, we'll choose text to video. This is the first one. Click on text to video. Here we pass your scripts and Pictory AI turn it into a full video and choose the size for your video. We go to ChatGPT here and tell him to give us full scripts for our topic for create video. My topic, let's be learning English. We told ChatGPT to give me full scripts that convert and be friendly about learning English, how to learn English. ChatGPT here will create me a full scripts. Let's do this. Here, ChatGPT will write a full scripts for my topic. Let's take some time, and now we'll copy our script like this, and go back to Pictory AI and paste the scripts here. We'll remove the titles on scripts and the emojis like this. We remove this here and these two, and that's it. All good. Here we choose the size for video if we want to create a video for YouTube or Instagram, and here you can choose the template you want to use on your video. Let's choose the first one. Here it takes some time to create our video. No, it takes some time. Now, this is our video is ready. This is your full video created by past only scripts. This is our scripts here. This is video not without voiceover, but you can add your voiceover if you want, or let Pictory AI create a voiceover with AI. There are full templates about my topic. Let's preview the video. This is our video talking about how to learn English. It's a very nice video. You can add your voice or AI voice. Here you can use templates. Here you can add the voiceover. Choose any voiceover here, and here you can add a personal avatar talking, and here you can add the text on video. Pictory AI, it's have a lot of powerful tools for create a full video for you. You can too convert URL into video with Pictory AI. You can use it for AI video editing, upload your video. Here you summarize any video on YouTube, pass the link and summarize it. Here you can add it to audio to video. Here you can turn image to the video. Let's try this. We upload this image, click upload. Here my image, click here. This my image is my photo is turned into video. Let's show the results. It's actually really bad results. It's not work. This option I don't recommend for you. That's it in this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe in this channel for more AI tutorial like this. And see you the next one.